You work hard for beautiful landscaping that you can enjoy. But instead, you keep getting a mess.
Oh, no!
Not again, it's the mulch menaces. You enjoy your lawn, but it keeps getting destroyed. Every time, sweeping up after the rain, uneven landscaping that doesn't hold bark, even maintaining your lawn causes you more work. Still creating more work as you clean up grass clippings? Don't work your lawn, enjoy your lawn. Stop the mulch menaces with revolutionary Mulch Glue Max. Created so your mulch stays, it doesn't stray. Welcome to PetraMax, a family-owned company in the USA. Our water-based Mulch Glue Max bonds landscaping materials while letting water get through to the roots. Safe for plants, Mulch Glue Max is the solution you need for easy landscape care. Sprays on white, dries invisible. Watch as Mulch Glue Max bonds mulch together. Made in the USA, Mulch Glue Max stops the mulch menaces. Why are you fighting your lawn all season long? Instead of work, it's time to play. Too good to be true? No way. Landscaping doesn't move with high wind or blowers. Watch how water easily drains through landscaping sprayed with mulch glue. Don't wait another second. Now you too can have a beautiful landscape lawn all year long. Once and done, so easy to use, anyone can apply Mulch Glue Max. A proprietary blend, Mulch Glue Max leverages water-based technology that creates a strong, environmentally safe bond. Discover PetraMax. Made in the USA, the answer you've been needing. Stop replacing landscaping all summer long. Mulch Glue Max is your cost-effective way to a beautiful yard. Just imagine how easy it'll be to manage your landscape. Start a new tradition. Mulch Glue Max for your picture-perfect lawn. Get yours today.